everyone! Today, we're going to learn the difference between advice and advise. These two words look almost the same, so many English learners confuse them. But don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. Can you spot the difference? Look at these two sentences. My teacher gave me good advice. My teacher advised me to study harder. Both sentences talk about helping someone. But one uses advice and the other uses advised at, so what's the difference? The answer is simple. Advice is a thing, advise is an action. Let's learn more. First, let's look at advice. Advice is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Advice means a suggestion or recommendation. For example, my mother gave me good advice. Here, advice is the suggestion that the mother gave. Now let's look at advise. Advise is a verb. A verb is an action. Advise means to give someone a suggestion. For example, my mother advised me to study every day. Here, the action is advised at, so remember, advice is the suggestion. Advise is the action of giving the suggestion. Here's a simple trick to help you remember. Advice ends with CE. Think of CE as can be held. Advice is something you can receive, ask for, give, or follow. Now look at advise. It ends with SE. Think of SE as say to someone. When you advise, you are speaking and giving a suggestion. An even easier way to remember is this. Advice is what you give. Advise is what you do. Say it with me. Advice is what you give. Advise is what you do. Let's look at some examples. My father gave me good advice. In this sentence, advice is the suggestion. Can I ask for your advice? Again, advice is the suggestion. Now with advise. My father advised me to exercise. Here, advised is the action. I advise you to read English books. Again, the speaker is giving a suggestion. Can you hear the difference? One is a thing. The other is an action. Many students make these mistakes. I advise you. This is incorrect. It should be. I advise you another one. Thank you for your advice. That's also incorrect. The correct sentence is, thank you for your advice. One more. He gave me an advice. Remember, advice is tableed, so we say, he gave me some advice, or he gave me a piece of advice. Great job. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct word, number 1. Can you advise or advise me? The correct answer is advise. Number 2. Thank you for your advice or advise. The answer is advice. Number 3. The teacher advised or advised us to read. Correct. Advise. Number 4. I need some advice or advise. The answer is advice. Excellent work. Now let's use both words together. Listen carefully. I advise you to study every day. My advice is that you should study every day. Notice the difference. Advise tells us what someone does. Advice tells us what someone gives. Here are 2 more examples. I advise you to sleep early. My advice is to sleep at least 8 hours every night. You can also combine these words with should, ought to, and had better when giving advice. Let's review today's lesson. Advice is a noun. It means a suggestion. Advise is a verb. It means to give a suggestion. Remember our easy rule. Advice is what you give. Advise is what you do. Now you're ready to use both words correctly in your speaking and writing. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.